Harry Potter killed me. You know what you are to me. Don't make me say it over and over again. It's way too late, or much too early. And you know how I get when I'm left alone to my vices. Like the grown-ups did when I was a kid. That said, I'm a bird in your hand, so take me as I am. You know what you are to me. Don't make me say it over and over again. My left hand, the part of me stays late to clean up the mess. But I'm sick of all my choices. The grown-ups I grew up with, angels and addicts. It's a new guitar, I'm trying to figure out words out too. That one maybe. Oh, I was incorrect. When I put my arms around you, I mean it. When I get drunk and puke on my shoes, I mean it. When I slam doors 'cause I'm pissed at you, I mean it. When I put on a suit and say I do, I meant it. And you know what you are to me. Don't make me say it over and over again, over and over again.